Move to the second one. We move to the layers. Now here we go. You see, that's the cow of my boss. We move to the layers. Wow. This is their site. This is their site. Look at them. You see the rabbits? The rabbits are already outside waiting for their food. Okay, this is my door. Let me open my door. Open my door. Come inside. Locking my door. You see, they are running for food. They want to start eating immediately. Immediately. Okay, let me start with the growers. You see them? They are running. They are very much hungry this morning. There are 15 of them. You see how they are very. Oh, I beat this one. Don't like nonsense. Okay. Drink jokes. Okay, you see? They have calmed down. They are calm now. They are calm. See the rabbit? It's also joining them to eat. The rabbit is there. You see? They are looking pretty cool. They are looking very calm. Yeah. Now they continue eating. You see? Okay. Thank you. Thank you for behaving. You understand? Okay. Now closing the door like that. You see the rabbits? Okay, now we go to the big ones. Layers. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We go. We move. Here we move. Okay. We eat from here. You understand? We get food from here. Yeah, that's it. Those ones are eating there. Eating from there. They want to put some small outside. They want to put here for those ones. You see the rabbits running. Rabbits, they're running. Put some here. This is where the rabbits hide during the day, during the sun. They hide from there. Okay. This one eating together. These ones are here. They are now very calm. They are eating small, slow. Let me go and check if I have some eggs. If I have some eggs today in the morning. Oh, I only have one egg. One egg. This one is for my breakfast, for sure. This is for my breakfast. Because it is good to eat an egg in the morning. 1 to 2 eggs in the morning. That was very quite okay for you, for your health. Makes your day good. This is the drinker. This is the feeder. They are feeding from there. Okay, now here I go. Taking my tools, giving them to eat. Then I will open the door later in the day. Okay, opening my door. Here I move out. I move out back to the other quarter. Back to the other quarter. To the other quarter. To the other quarter. This is the quarter. This is the quarter where I have the small ones. They are 1 month old. The smaller you are, the more you eat. You see? Look at them. They are very hungry. They can eat someone. Very much hungry. Very much hungry. Look at them. This is their cube. You can see it from here. That is their cube, and this is the incubator. This is the incubator. We hatch eggs from here. It carries a capacity of 400 418 eggs. This one, after hatching, I brood them from here. Then after brooding, I take them outside. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Let's continue with our chores. I will be updating you as time goes by. Thank you so much for watching my video.